James, Ireland. We're located in a farm outside of Newmilns. Today we are applying slurry to the ground to make the crops grow. We do agricultural contracting and we farm as well. We've been involved with umbilical slurry for probably 20 years, maybe 12 of that in our own right. Yeah, meeting people, helping people out. It's constant work, keeps us busy. Yeah, I do enjoy the job, yeah. For our slurry operation we used to use a trailed engine compressor, and then we moved on to a homemade one that worked in the PTO of the tractor, but I was just getting a wee bit tired. It did a job, but it was just slowing us down. Yeah, it was taking longer, so I thought we'd better buy the correct machine for the job. Here we are, 18 months later, and very happy with it. We chose the applied Varimount. It just looked a very well built bit of machinery, and yeah, it does what it says and saves us a lot of time during the day and throughout the season. We use the applied Varimount for blowing out slurry hoses and also cleaning off machines for the winter or during the season as well. Knife banks and forage wagons, balers and combine harvester as well. The previous compressor we had didn't just have enough output because we used quite a lot of 5-inch hose instead of the normal 4. It takes a bit more air to blow it out. The applied machine has got the capacity to do that. Spot on, yeah, good to deal with. What they said is what it is, so that's good. Positives of the applied Varimount are its output and ease of use, very simple, no electrics, just hook on the tractor, PTO and go. You can blow out 1500 metres of hose in 15-20 minutes maximum. The job would take 40 minutes with the old machine, but it just works, so yeah.